have because the weather, it's not really getting a lot better anytime soon.
No, I mean, we're going to have to worry about freezing temperatures again tonight. And that's the thing, all that snow, it came down and that was tricky, but then whenever it started to melt with that freezing rain and then it just iced back over again, it just made it so slick. And we talk about it being a skating rink, right? Well, take a look at this. So Nancy Klinger took that literally. This is in Southwest Portland over on.
Double Salchow?
Look at that. She is so good. Look at that.
Wow.
Amazing.
Doesn't that look just amazing? So yeah, she was like, you know what? Smooth enough to put my ice skates on. So she went out there. Southwest Palatine Hill Road over there.
One of our photographers, Adam, this morning, he had to duct tape towels to his shoes in order to walk on the ice. That's how slippery it is.
Oh, it was so bad. I was walking my dog and I was so scared I was going to break a bone. I was like, you know, this would be the way I would do it this winter. Not on the slopes, but right here on the sidewalk in front of where I live. But we are starting to see things get a little bit better out there. Again, we could see it get tricky again later on tonight as temperatures dip back down to the freezing mark. There's still water on the roads and there's still a few showers to get through. So 36 degrees right now. Things are nice and dry and quiet out there as far as the Portland metro area goes. You can see a few sprinkles moving up between Vancouver and Battleground, and in most areas here we are just above freezing, so it shouldn't cause too many problems. As you drop south, we have a few more light showers swinging on through to the north between Salem, back towards Dallas, McMinnville there, and that'll continue to track to the north. So we are going to have to watch for occasional showers here and there. Right now we'd be okay, but fast forward a few more hours later and temperatures at or below freezing, and that's when it could cause more problems. And of course, all of that just sitting there overnight will mean another tricky commute tomorrow morning. Here's how it pans out hour by hour. 7:30 here, and we have some spotty precip around. 11 o'clock, we're still looking mainly dry, but watching for that potential for more showers to swing through, and that again will come down in the form of freezing rain most likely. As we wake up tomorrow morning, 8 a.m., we'll still have some rain around at times. First thing in the morning, we'll start out below freezing. I think temperatures will warm a little bit more quickly. We won't have as much ice on the ground, so by the time we get into the afternoon, we will have some rain here and there, but it will be in the liquid form, and it shouldn't cause too many problems tomorrow. So some good news there. Back to the gorge, though, that's where we could see maybe a little bit more snow come down. Snow and some freezing rain as temperatures stay below freezing. Heading into Wednesday, we start to really dry things out. We'll have that potential for some cloud cover and some fog around the morning. But watch Wednesday afternoon, ticking down the time there. That's 3:30, and we're still looking really quiet. We could even get some sunshine going. So we'll be watching for that. Meanwhile, Central Oregon, watching out for some rain and snow there, too. Temperature-wise out there right now, 35 in Vancouver, 36 in Portland. We're in the mid-30s down towards Salem and Albany, low to mid-40s for the coast, so we're definitely above freezing there. But look at this, Hood River and the Dalles stuck in the upper 20s between Madras, and as you head down towards Redmond in the low 30s there. So your coastal forecast for tonight and tomorrow, rain likely, not a whole lot, a tenth to a quarter of an inch at most. Highs will be in the low 40s, winds a little breezy out of the southeast at 15 to 25. I-5, temperatures still in the upper 30s for highs. We will see rain at times, not a whole lot of accumulation. It's not going to be a soaker of a day by any means. And again, we say above freezing, so that's key there. Light winds. Central and eastern Oregon, highs here in the mid to upper 30s, and we'll see scattered showers here, occasional snow mixing in with some freezing rain, and mainly light winds. And then for the Cascades, we're going to be watching for snow at times tonight and tomorrow. 1 to 2 more inches of snow, so some good news there. The snow level at about 3,000 feet. And then back through the gorge, highs in the low 30s there with that potential for some spotty snow, freezing rain, but little to no accumulation. So definitely should see some improvement here as we go through the next couple of days. 7-day forecast, and we start to dry things out a bit. So rain likely Tuesday, and then Wednesday we'll try to get some sunshine going. Thursday, Friday, even through the weekend, we're talking highs in the low 40s. Overnight lows in the low to mid 30s, and we're staying mainly dry, and we could even get some sunshine going. If we do get any moisture moving in, we will have to watch it very closely, though, for it to come down in a wintry way, just like we saw this weekend. But for now, it looks clear.
Miss Minnesota over here was making fun of our winters. I said, excuse me, do you get 30 degrees and raining? And now she knows.
And it's flat there, and we have hills.
Fun of it. The inch of snow was something, and then when the freezing rain came down, I was like, okay, yeah, now this is
And the hills, and the hills make a big difference.
Makes it pretty bad.
Yeah.